Ciao, nice people. Welcome on. This is the first English stream about the Respawn Banter, if I'm not wrong. It's actually the second RPG Maker stream and the third game development stream. Well, we are starting one step at a time. Okay. This is my actual main project, but it's not really resuming because now I'm in a tough spot. not really, but those days are really tough because I probably have time to resuming the development, but I'm also worrying for the university problem. So I hope we resume developing on this game pretty soon, even if it doesn't mean developing in the game itself. Now the most part of the job is designing the traps. Let me see. Here it is. Now in the game, after I solve some university problems, I have to think about traps and designs. So, for example, because now my priority is after the Steam game page, but I need to wait for Waldorf. My priority should be designing the entire map, because I really want to find a pixel artist for the tile set of the game. But first I need to define everything I need. For example, I need tables, a chimney for a specific room. I don't really want to have still to improvise when I search for a pixel artist for the tile set. So I started thinking about some sort of specific designs for the interiors and design for a character, but it's still in work. I'm stuck on the clothing, actually. A small peek, maybe? A small peek? Here is. If I really can't draw faces, so it seems pretty standard, but I hope with the bucket on his head something will change. I don't know. Well, it depends on the artist how the face will come out. Okay, so what are we doing today? Today we are bantering, and it's not any sort of banter, but it's a 3-person banter. I still don't have a portrait for any character other than those two, but it's fine. This way I won't spoil anything, you know. Okay, this is the bug death. Oh, I should change my streaming death quotes. Okay, this is the banter of the two characters. It's the test banter, you can call it. So I custom made this plugin for making the portraits appear. The problem is I didn't make it so more people will appear. But I'm really happy for doing custom made, because in this way I can control what happens. So I think it's the best way. Controlling what happens and tune it how I need it. So first though we need to think about how to do it. how do we make something that more characters can talk on? I maybe should choose another place, not drawing. Let's go drawing. Okay, first of all, this is the hero and this is Leven. Yeah, I know, my drawing skills are incredible. Then there is the new character. We should take a temporary character. Any character, so I don't know, a placeholder. Which placeholder should we use? Gop! I got it! It's Gop! Okay. Let me open. Yeah, we will edit later. Okay, so. Let's feign for a minute that Gop is a talking character, okay? So, for example, there is Gop next to Leven. How should we place it? First of all, if Gop isn't talking. First, it's behind Leven. Okay, maybe I think it's better using actual portraits for that. So, can you please detach? Never mind. I think I have a specific Photoshop for this scene. I think it is. That's it. And maybe this one. Okay, this will do. It is a test after all. Okay, so we have the hero. It was a test for the hero expression. Okay. Okay, I have an idea also. We will use the two versions of the hero. Okay, I have to take it from... I don't know if I have a specific portrait for the hero with a face, because usually the hero doesn't have a face in the... Ah, here it is. Yeah, usually I save the file without the face because I add it later. This will do. Okay, this will do. And maybe well, it's fine, really. We just need to... I should really save a default image with the faces. I really didn't do any of that. Okay, let's have it like this. Okay, so how do I want the placement of the behind character? Well, first of all, they are slightly down. Doesn't look really good though, maybe slightly behind. How much behind are they actually? How much behind are they? Okay. There might be some space behind the characters, but not that much. Let's see. I just want to be... No. To be related. To be, well, on scale. For example, well, it's way too much out of scale. We can do... To be on scale, we can do this. I think being in scale really helps. So, slightly bigger. Okay. Just a little less. Will do. Okay, this will do. A bit, just a little more. Okay, we're fine. And with Leven, well, first of all, this is okay. Maybe. This one should be a little bigger too. Rasterize. Oh yeah, I should change maybe in English. Otherwise, might seem confusing. Maybe next time. Okay. Okay, I think we'll do. Okay. And then we miss Leven. Here. Oh, okay, no. Slightly less. Even less. That will do. Okay. This will do. Okay, so we have some sort of in scale version. In this case, well, I can... Come on, we are live again. Without a disconnection, I'm really surprised. Okay, not to self, maybe closing OBS might work. I don't know, maybe. Who knows? Two disconnection in a row. Vodafone really... Oh no, it means there will be a third one. Well, at least it's not during an important streaming. Okay. The other guy will be behind, maybe? We can put the other guy way behind, like this, because if it's strictly behind, you can see the face. So we can put the other guy behind here. Way behind, so you can see the face. Let's use also... Do we have the original Leven? Well, for sure. Not... It's slightly faceless, but for now she will do. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Let's put it be... No, wait, maybe, just maybe, we can put them in front of the other guy. Yeah. So in this way, it seems like they are participating more to the conversation. And the conversation is important. Here seems like doesn't really matter as the other guy. But if you put him there, that means maybe seems like is more relevant than the other. And maybe if we put him in front of the clouds, no, this doesn't give the right effect. Yeah, like this, slightly on, slightly down. Okay, I was thinking if I should, every time someone speaks, swap their positions. Which might still do, actually, but... We can technically leave them this way. And so have a multiple person conversation, which will help immensely the programming part. Otherwise, swapping the two positions doesn't sound so great. Okay. First of all, we need to see the code and maybe clean it, because I cleaned some parts, but not everything. Okay, so first of all, how does the show person code work? It's like this. The mostra faccia. I should change the name to show face, but never mind. Okay, so you choose the position, a text base. Is it text? No, it's you choose between two of them, Hero and Leven, which is really wrong because it's not the person, it's the position on the screen. For example, if Leven would change his position and talks on the left, like this, and flip it horizontally, and the hero stands on the other side. Now weirdly, Leven would have used the hero parameter, because hero is the left part and Leven is the right part. It's not, so it might be counterintuitive. This means we should add other two options and call them back hero and back Leven, and not really caring about names. So if next time Leven isn't there and there is the goddess of death, she still goes on Leven's position. Okay, I think that we simply do. Now, what do we do with those positions? Okay. Okay, here it is. The position. Okay, here I change the position name to a number. This seems pretty easy, so let's add case back here and case back Leven. Maybe slightly more ordered. Back hero and back Leven. Okay. It did 2 and 3. Perfect. That was simple. Then this is different. It's different, right? Yeah, this was the value position. This is the path of the character. This means if because every time I choose an image, I only give the path. So I read the path, and if it's the hero, the first part, it means it's the heroes folder or events. For now, those two will do. Then shows the image on the slot based on the character ID, which I need maybe to change that part, because the character ID next to them should be placed in front of them. If their ID is higher, they will go behind them. Where are you, hero? Come. Okay. So if I put the numbers higher than the front hero, he will end up behind here. So I should put the number higher. The lower. A lower number means it will appear more on the front. But I want to do some sort of rework. It's not really a rework, a change, because later I want to add some sort of cinematic poses. That means I will also change the position of the clouds. It's this one. Where are the clouds? Here they are. Those are the mid clouds, which will appear. Wait. Show picture 2. Wait. Higher numbers maybe? Go. I forgot the basics of RPG Maker. Yeah. Feel likes lower numbers get drawn before. So it's fine. It's not a problem after all. Okay. We can do this. Okay, so we draw the images in the right order. Then we change message background. And we might need other backgrounds because, well, for now we let it bug out maybe. Because for the character one, for the hero we have this one. Well, it's temporary actually. And for Leven we have the next one. For the others we don't have one, but we could temporarily make one. So let's take one. Maybe there is a... I have a Photoshop of it, but I don't know where it is. So for now we'll make a temporary one. And we change color here. Okay, we have a purple one, maybe? Temporary, of course. For the goddess of death. Maybe less saturated. This will do. Image for the character 3. Not a Photoshop file, please. And the next one, I don't really know. Let's place a yellow one for the guy. It's a more lemon yellow. Okay, let's take this for now. It's all temporary, of course. Here it is, the forward one. Okay. We have the other 3 dialogue box. Maybe the 3 is similar to the 1, but we don't really care. It's all temporary placeholder. Okay, we also have this covered. Also, here I save everything in a matrix, in a array, because it's more easier to access. Shows the pose, the face, and the extra part for the face. I should change the names in English, maybe. And then I call the function. The function is... There are no problems here. No. There isn't. Because this changed the sound of the text. Weird. I thought it... Ah yeah! The sound. I call it... What do I call this? Before. Okay, yeah. Okay, here I get the name of the characters. If there is no one, it won't call, so it's fine. Then, this is the main part of the script. Of the code. So, I set everything. I set the inversion if you want to flip the image. I set up the pic that isn't present, which is weird calling it there after all. That's weird being called here. I will see. Because it will reset every time. Well, let's see. Okay, then I will get the pose saved here and see if there is an image. The ID. The ID is saved before, right? During the call. Yeah. If there is the image, then we already get the values. If there isn't... Okay, now I get this value. This value checks if the pic is present. Okay. I should change my mouse. I said in the last 2 months. So if there is no image, I use the base drawing points, and maybe this is key, because I will need new drawing points based on the characters. So let's see those one. Here they are. Okay. The character drawing points are here x, here y, 11x, 11y. If the value is 0 or 1. That means we need also values for 2 and 3. Let's add them. What are those values? Okay. For the hero, oh, let's see, 11. For 11 it's 430. So 430. Ah yeah, because the sprite has a lot of white space on the top. Not you. Okay, this is the base position. Let's see how much do I move it here. Or let's copy it just to be sure. Okay, a double. Here will do maybe. Maybe slightly lower. Here. More back, I think, will help. Okay, there is a problem. I have to consider that when they talk, they go up and the other one will go down. But for now, let's put it slight up. So that's a lot of... Oh, yeah, because it's not in scale. I need to change everything in scale just to be sure. Okay. So it's... how was it? I forgot the scale of the game. Like 100... I forgot. It was a weird number. Yeah. 1104. $1,104. Okay. Maybe on the scale. And the height would be 624. Well, 3 less will do. Okay. Maybe now we might get a better value. Okay, so... Okay, we can make 120 on the right and 67 down. So let's... I forgot the numbers. I forgot the numbers. 120, 67. Okay. Not this undo. Okay. 120. It's a plus actually. And then it's Y. A plus 76. Okay. This though is the value for the fourth image, so we need to place the hero before. So hero Y, hero X, and this time we need to subtract those values, except the epsilon, the Y. Okay, now we have the value drawing points. Oh wait, I got it wrong. Okay, they are separated by a comma, not by a square. How are they called? Squared. Wait, I really have to know. The brackets, right? They are the brackets, the square brackets. Okay, we have the numbers, and I think we did most of the work. It's that simple. If the pick is present, we did all of that. Okay, we got all of that. Right? Yeah. Because if there is... Now we get the position, the drawing points from before that we just set. And this one, if it's a multiple of 2, gets inverted, which makes sense because there's... The position ID? No, wait, they are already inverted, the portraits, right? Oh yeah, because if the portrait is not talking, it will go slightly down on the left or on the right. Depends on the position on the screen. That's right. Okay, if the image is already there, I get the coordinates. That's simple, okay. Then, what's this memory pose? What's this memory pose? Okay, if there is no image, it's empty. Otherwise, if... Ah, yeah, here saves the the pose of the character. And if the character is not imposed, makes a small animation and changes the pose. Okay, that seems pretty simple. Can we try it just like that? Maybe it works, who knows? So, let's do the test. Where is this? Haha! Here we have it. Hello, I'm Leven, number 2. We don't need another character, you know. And this is on the position of Buck Leven. Let's try. I'm not sure it will work, but I will try. I will surely try. Gladly try. I'm really curious of what won't work. Wait, it doesn't happen. Did I get some option wrong? Yeah, no, it's not an option, it's the feature, how it's called. Because the new image is in another folder, in the same folder as Leven. So rightfully it thinks it's the same character in the other position, which is right. I don't plan in the future on making clones, even if it might be funny after all. It might be funny. For now, though, we will think about clones next time, okay? Another time. I can just make another folder, which I might. Oh no, in this, I have an idea. We just place Leven on the other side. So back here and we use Leven. She needs to be inverted though. Is there a setting for this? Did I set up a set? I did not set a parameter for this because, well, I really don't need it. I should add it though. Okay, but for now, yeah, I should really make a parameter for it. Yeah, setting another character might be another sort of problem. Pretty cozy on your side. She will be inverted though, so it's not really the best test. The best test, I like the name. Let's see, now she should be good. She doesn't move. I really should place another character maybe. Okay, well, I will so surely add new characters anyways, so we might as well add the new one. Bray. Again, I don't have an image for her, but we can use something else. I showed her on the Discord, but we should still avoid spoilers. So we can use the a beta level. I still want to use other characters, the final characters. So we'll take still Leven. Okay. Okay. Now, though, we need to set up the name here. Yeah, here it is. No, not this one. Can I scroll through there, please? I need to change the folder where the game will read the character. I think it does automatically. I think it's automated. That's pretty nice from me. Good work, Waldorf. Good work. Yeah. Ah, yeah, here it is. Not really. No, okay, no, it works. If there is none of those names, there is not a problem, really. Okay. Let's see. Back hero. Now, though, we need to make another character. Take the Bray Leven. Okay, but I will place her on the Leven part because it's still not inverted. And let's take the Bray expressions. Okay. Let's try. It should be another image, another character. We should start right at a Banter instead of dying every time. Let's see. Wait, no. No. Doesn't work. Ah. Doesn't work. How so? I don't even know why it doesn't work. It is the position back 11. Wait. It doesn't go in that. Doesn't change position. It doesn't change position. It's like it's the same character. What happens if I say the hero? Also, we can start here the game, I think. Is there a nice way to start it? Here. 290. Let's start here, please. Just for testing. The demo won't be ready for some time. Now, this is the first part. It starts automatically. Ah, because this one was on. If I remove it, I should remember to reactivate it later. Never mind. Ah, pretty unfortunate. Well, we can do this in the... No, never mind. Let's do in the starting. As always. Slightly less fast, but that's how we do it. That's the fastest way to do it, after all. Okay, now the hero is talking, even if I used the Leven portrait. There's something not really working on the code. Yeah, because it's hero's position, but Leven's portrait. What's the problem? I should print debug everything, maybe? Let's see the rest of the code. I probably forgot something. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, I have another bunch of parameters. Oh no, I have another bunch of parameters. It's the hero down, Leven down. Which is true if the character is actually not talking. Which is kinda an annoyance, because, well, I have to check every time if the hero is speaking or Leven is speaking and set the other one to false. So, I think we need to rework more of the code. I have the code backed, so we can change everything without a problem. So, for now, we need to change those values and make a more generic character down, which is an array, and start with false. False for everything. I think for values will suffice. We don't need those ones, but we need to change them before deleting them to find them. Okay, here it is. So, what does this do? If there is a parameter who tells the characters to be hidden, to not be talking when they appear, means that if there is not an image, based on the position of the characters, they will hit one of them, which is pretty not really efficient way of doing it. We just need a character down and we say the position ID. That's this simple. Because the position ID will be the same for before. If the position ID is 0, it's the hero position, it's Leven, behind hero, behind Leven. So it's pretty simple. It's the same on the other parts, right? This is another one, right? Yeah. Oh wait, before it was true. So I forgot to set it. Also, you surely don't do it like this. Okay. So, the value in character down on index position ID is equal to, was it true? Okay. Okay, on the opposite, it's a literal else with if it's false. That's it. The second part is more easier, more perfect. Here another condition using those values, and this is slightly more complex. What does this do? This puts a character in the not talking state, which is slightly lower and with less colors. And if the character is already down, it doesn't do anything. Which is, one moment, it's kinda, how does it work? Okay, if the hero needs to go down and Leven is already down, how does it, I forgot what this does. Here it's another one. Yeah. I don't get it. When is this called? Yeah, it's called when... wait, it's called only... It's called only if I have the parameter which tells if someone starts hidden. Maybe this function isn't really needed. I need to explore my code better. I should also put some more comments, I feel like. Yeah, for sure. So browse the face, the portrait. Okay. Not enough though. Yeah, this is more like... yeah, no, draws the basics of the image. So as I said, gets the coordinates of the picture, then checks if the pose is the same, and in a loop draws a portrait, face, and extras on the face. And then does something else. And there should also be a function when I draw a picture or show a picture to put the other characters down, as in the non-talking position. Because when I talk, you shut up. No, never mind. Okay, this is executed after showing the picture. If the pic is present, kinda weird, because when I draw a picture, yeah, it surely is present. I don't get it. Okay, here it's called the code that brings everything down. Okay, no, okay, this is called by default if it's not hidden. So it actually works as intended. Still, I'm not still over this part. If pic present, why should I be worried if the picture is already there? Okay, maybe it means if this is not the first time drawing, okay, I get it. If this is not the first time showing the portrait, put the portrait up in his rightful position. I get it. I will comment on it. If the appeared. Okay. Second, if the picture should start hidden and there is not a picture, you draw the image hidden. Okay. Which is not really hidden, so this might be a bug. Yeah, I think this... Maybe here's where the bug starts. Yeah. There's a problem. I will fix it later, but... The problem is the image is hidden, but the coordinates where it starts are the same. That means it will move slightly higher, and it's not intended. Let's see if I remember. Otherwise, if it starts hidden, or if the picture is already present, which by default is false, I will make the condition here just to be clear for myself. Or pic present. Okay, this will help a lot. We made a console. We don't need the console log anymore. The position of the character will be down. Wait. Yeah, okay, yeah, the character will not be down. That means or the character appeared, or the character resumed talking. It means it's now talking, so it's not down, and the other ones need to go down. Before I set a condition here, because I wanted to be false or true if it's hero 11, but this time I will do we will send the value of position ID for these two, but I will check it later. Okay, let's see where it is. Second, how it's called secondo piano in inglese? Okay. There's it. The first, it's a close-up. In English, it's not second floor. How it's called? Ah, it is. It's background. Weird. In Italian, we call it on first position and the second position. In English, is close-up and background. Interesting. So, I still meant background. Okay. How does it work? First of all, I don't want this value anymore. I want the character ID. That means this value doesn't exist anymore, which I still need to change, so it's fine. Okay, this undoes. First of all, what was this one? That it this was a boolean before that was true if the hero was the one talking. This means we can read this like this. If the hero was talking and Leven existed on screen, or on the opposite, if the hero was not talking and the hero was on screen, and the hero isn't on screen, simply if someone was talking but the other one is not on screen, there's nothing to put down. So we return. How should we change this? Because now we might have more than one character on screen. A max of 4, even if there are 5, but I don't think they will appear all at the same time. And if they will, a problem for the future me. Or there is a character with some sort of jolly which can appear on the middle, so it's fine. I can make with picture the fifth one. Okay. For now, we won't use this. Then we get the value picture, which is needed to know what character to draw. But this part is not updated, so we should place this for loop again. Yeah. Where it is? I'm lost. Here it is. Okay. So let's replace all those drawings with a loop. So instead of drawing picture 1, picture plus 1, picture plus 2, we draw picture plus something. The image ID. Of the other characters though, we need to change this value. I need a better mouse, really. The value is here. Which before, when there was only one character, only two characters on screen, it's simple. Or it's the hero or it's Leven. Pretty easy, right? Now it's different. We need to make a container because there's not only one other character. There might... let's remember we make this function to put the other people on the background when one is talking. For example, Leven is talking, everyone else needs to shut up, the hero goes on the background, the goddess of death goes on the background, Gop goes on the background, and so we have 3 people who need to go on the background. How do we do this? We need to save everyone in a container, in an array. So let's make this array. How do we make this? Well, we need to check case by case. So for let's go with k equal to 0, k minus 4, k plus, no, too much plus. Okay, it's doable, plus. What does it do? Okay, now for each loop we need to check for every single picture. So we need to check if game screen dot the picture of value of the character k is different from null exists. Maybe there's a different way, a better way to do this. No, it's the same way, perfect. Then we need a value though. We need to check where it is. I need a base value because the pictures don't start at 0. They start from a specific value. Let's see. Image ID. Where is that? Here it is. Okay. This is the code I needed. Image ID. Okay, so the image ID for each one is this code. So we just need to put it inside here. Pick hero plus k for each loop multiplied by 3. Maybe later I should add a 4. I don't know. So each loop checks first the first character, the second one, third one, fourth one. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And if it's different from null, they add that value in picture. Let's add the k value. I think we can add the k value. So how do I forgot. How do I add a value in a array? I think it's no, I forgot. Well, Google is here just for that. Okay, the push method at the end of the array. Perfect. We are fine. Pictures. Picture IDs. Let's call it IDs. Dot push. Let's push the value k. In this way, if there. Wait, we need to make another check, but for now, let me finish. We push the value, so if there is the hero and Gop who needs to shut up, that means there will be the value 0 for the hero and 3 for Gop. So it will be an array containing 0 and 3. There is a small problem. This checks also if the person talking is here. So we need just to make another condition to check if it's not the person talking. So all this stuff, and the character ID is different from k. I think it's right. Yeah, thanks to equals. Okay, and that's it. Now I have an array who contains everyone who needs to shut up. Then this one is a code that makes an image become more darker because they go down. But first it uses a value that there isn't anymore. Second one works only for one character. I think we can use it. We can make it in a loop. Wait, we can make it in that loop. I think it's easier. So let's use the picture. Was it? I forgot how the picture value was here before. I think I just need the K number, right? Let's see. No. I need all the pick hero plus K value. So the number of the yeah, multiplied by 3. So it's the code for reaching the correct index of the image. The base number plus the various characters who are talking. Then what's this one? Okay, if someone talking doesn't make the other ones go down, it doesn't happen anything. I don't know if I use this. Then if what was that? If the hero is talking and the level is down, or if the level is talking and the hero is already down, doesn't do anything because they are already down. This is a problem though, because if someone is down and someone else is not, we can't just make everyone go down. Otherwise someone at the end will go out of the screen, right? So we need to check who is already down. But we are lucky because we already have this new array, char down, which we can use. Unfortunately, we can't undo everything. We can't do the return like before. We need to do it case by case. But we can already do that here in the loop, instead of doing it later. We just don't insert anything in the loop if someone is already down. So, let's do another condition. If the character K is down, or better, if the character is not down, we save the value and prepare it for going down. Okay, that's the simpler way to take it, I think. Then again, if yeah, this one changes everyone here on the down position. So because if the hero is talking, then we put 11 down, but we need to make everyone who is not talking down, so we just make character down K equals true. Okay, then again, the inversion, because if Leven is not talking and needs to go down, she needs to go down in an inverted direction. Then the hero, Leven goes here, the hero goes here. The diagonal direction is different. So this we do with a small change. So we take the value of the one who is talking. No, this one depends case by case again. So how do we do it? We will do it later in the condition, but we will take it on the side here just to remember. Okay, then the result, what is the result? I get the coordinates of the picture, which yeah, it's different when the game is full screen or HD, but I still haven't figured everything out. Let's get it for later. So this is a problem because I need to take the value for each picture. But we can do that in a bigger loop, so it's fine. We do another loop. A loop in the loop for F for face, F less than 4, or no, we do face less than the picture ID's length. So this one does many loops as the images we need to move down. F++, a super F. Super F! And for every loop, we do another loop for drawing the portrait, the body, the face, and the extra. There is one last change to do. We need to check the inversion. So var invert is equal to, here we make the condition. If picture ID number F, which maybe I should place it before, because picture F now has the ID of the character we need to move down. So var ID. Why? Okay, I still need to use it. I should change the name though. ID is too vague. Down ID might work. Okay, here's the value. For example, for the hero it's 0 and for GOP it's 3. If the even is GOP. In this way we have the value and we can now make the condition. If the down ID is even, that means it's on the left side. In this way, if it's on the left side, we don't need to invert anything, and if it's on the right side, we invert the value, as I said before, because the diagonal movement of the hero and Leven is different. Okay. We need something else. Yeah, getting the coordinates. I forgot to hit that part. So, result. Ah yeah, picture X. Because I get the value on a single in a single array, in a single variable. Is it declared before? Is it declared? Well, doesn't seem a problem. So, we just need to call this function and give a value. The value will be the same as before, right? The picture needs to go down ID multiplied by 3 plus hero ID, which is the ID of the first image, which is the hero. Was it pick hero? I forgot. Yeah, pick hero. Okay, I hope it works. Then I save picture X, picture Y, and draw everything. Let's see if everything is fine. No, I don't think so, because this is the standard position. Let's see. And also we need to move the picture, not show it. So it's different. So, the image ID. Then we don't need to add the image again, because I just need to move it. Now the position X, which now has already a position, and we add the movement and the inversion if it's on the other side. Same thing on the movement Y. What's that additive? The squish. The squish. What's the squish? What's the squish? What's the squish? Well, let's keep it. I forgot what the squish is. What's squish? I don't really know. Ah, yeah, the extra parameter here. Squish. I don't know what it does. I forgot. Seems like I'm scared to try though. Then the scale again. The move opacity, and the next parameter, which there was not before, the time we need to wait for the movement. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. That's it, huh? Yeah. Just for the putting on the background part. Now let's see for the close-up. It's a similar code, so I will see if I can fuse them. I hope so, because we'll solve a lot of problems. So, first thing is the same. I should have saved the other one, just to see. I think we can fuse the two of them, really. Because in the future I think, yeah, it's pretty much the same. I just add the coloring for the picture. Because in the close-up or not in the background, it's fully colored. I get the value. I get the new direct position where to move. Or just a move. How is this different? Because I changed this value? No. And so? Okay. I don't really know. It's literally the same. Maybe if... what's this one? I really need to fix everything here, otherwise I might go crazy. But it's pretty much the same code. Let's keep it for now and see if everything works with a base. No, I didn't want to press that. Let's see if it works normally. Because I made a pretty heavy change in the... Not heavy, but I made a significant change in the code. Let's see with Gop. Yeah, there's a problem where the character goes on the background. Let's see. Yeah, doesn't work really well. Levin, come here. No. Levin is hiding. Wait, I want to make a screenshot. A cuckoo. I need maybe a feature to hide the text box. That's awesome. That's awesome. I want to post it everywhere. Really. That's perfect. Okay, still there is a problem. A big clear problem. Okay. The problem is clear when someone... Clear. Not really, okay. When someone talks... Gets... hidden right away. I don't know. The problem is when someone talks, gets hidden right away. Why? Oh, okay. Oh, maybe I get it. Did I? Yeah, because I didn't completely implement the change here. I need to replace every single one of those hero down, event down with the matrix value. I use it in just another single part. So let's for now use those ones, which will replace hero down and event down. Let's see if the problem was just that. With that only at one part it appeared. Let's see. Up. I go up. No, still the problem. Still, let's see if there's a slight difference. No, the same. I don't believe it won't. It doesn't appear elsewhere. I really don't believe anything of that. I might start to believe that. Second piano. I think it doesn't appear elsewhere. Maybe I don't think I changed. Oh, yeah, I didn't change any of that. I changed the second one, but the problem is when the image appears. No, maybe when the image appears and the other one should go down, make some sort of error. Here. And character ID equals to K. Is different to K. That's the problem. Okay, maybe here. That's the problem. I put down everyone who was talking. That was the big problem. I might be solved it. Yeah, it works. Let's do it, 11. I need your help, Senpai 11. Yeah, but please don't die to talk with me. Ah! She's watching. She's watching. She's watching pretty intensely. They go everywhere. Every time someone talks, it moves in a weird way. And then really move to the left. Now down. I don't know what happened. We fixed something, but created another bug. So, maybe we don't correctly... Yeah, we don't... The problem here maybe is we don't change this value elsewhere. But we don't tell here character is down, right? We tell it here. And only here, only here. The character is down, true. But they still move down. Also, not diagonally. Why? Also, they moved every way. Maybe... if the character is... Wait, is there is here the opposite? The character, no, if the character is not down, then it needs to be pushed down. Then why? We might make some sort of debug pass here. So let's call them pushing down value, and let's say cache. Let's see what happens. The 0 is for the hero. The 1 is for the van. I saved, just to be sure. And let's see. With the debug. I should remove all the other parts. Okay, Leven, let's talk again. Push now value 3. Why the 3? Gop is not there. Also Gop is 4. But it should be 3. Really, actually. It should put down the 1. Now when the 2 is talking, it should put down the 1, yeah. But Raven is not going down. Now it's 0. Weird. I say to put down the other one, but they go down. That's the opposite. That's the opposite. Also, first time they push down the 3. Even if it shouldn't be there. And only the 3. Let's see. Yeah, actually, yeah, it moved down the wrong one. Maybe the car ID value I get is wrong. Let's see. I don't know. Actual car ID talking, I saved, right? Yeah. Let's with Gop right away. 0. That's right. I don't think that I can get wrong that value, right? So, car talking is 1, 0, 1. That's really correct. Talking 1, and they push down. Yeah. One is talking, it tells the other one to go down, but they push themselves down. Weird. They push themselves down. That's a problem. But I saved the right value here. Why is now different? You get the first value. Let's make another console log. My favorites. So. Is this right? Yeah. Time ID. Portrait. Should I? No, it's right. Let's get here the value down ID. Ready to move image number down ID. The number is... Maybe the number is wrong. Wait. The number here is wrong. Image ID should be another value, right? Wait. It should be different, right? That's a problem. It's... wait. First of all, let's save it in a variable, okay? Var this pick ID. Maybe that's easier. This pick ID. Perfect. And this pick ID plus the loop, which starts at 0. We don't need those checks anymore. The fact is, where did it take the wrong value? Maybe from the variable of the one speaking after all. Yeah, let's see. Let's talk to Leven. Hi, Leven. I think it's pretty much fixed now. It moves the light, but other than that, it almost works. I like how she moved just to regain her sight. Yeah, there are some image value problems. But other than that, it works. It works finally. There were some slight problems on the eyes and the lightning. But just at the start. Why the lightning though? Can I try another save file? Just to get another scene. Yeah, because the lightning is in another picture ID value, which is unfortunately of the other characters. So I need to be careful. This is not a script problem, it's a ID management problem. So I just need to change the ID of the lightning or remove it because it's pretty default images. Well, no, the middle one is made with Photoshop, but you can't really see it, actually. But that's it. I solved it. Now, I will try placing another character, but still there is the problem of the other part. So I don't think it will work still. But let's try. Hi, Leven! Yeah, I figured. Also, the eyes here disappear. Why? Well, they are not normal eyes, so maybe that's it. Okay, last part is fusing the two together. So, let's try. Let's fuse the two sprites, which are to move in first or second or on the background, the character. The foreground, yeah, it's called foreground, I forgot now. I remembered now. So I don't need those, really. Yeah. Okay, and now we need to fuse them together because I don't really like having them separated like that, because they are pretty similar. First of all, I need to take the value of the character ID. Well, for now, let's keep them split, but we'll see if we can somewhat put them together. Then, if the picture doesn't exist, they don't do anything. We can do something similar, which is character ID. Okay. If we just need this part, if the picture of the base value plus character ID multiplied by 3 doesn't exist, then you don't do anything. Then this one, the value if it's down. We will use it the standard character down based on character ID. And the other, get the picture. The picture, as again in the formula, is this one. Okay. Then we change the color of the picture, that will do. I get coordinates of the picture, that will do. Then I get the, okay. I don't need this variable. So, as before, to get if the movement should be in a direction or the other, we use instead the multiple of their ID. If it's 0, it's on the left, 1 on the right, 2 on the left, and 3 on the right. Same way. And then, yeah, a loop would really help here. Would have really helped. Let's put a loop again. Yeah, those two are slightly different, so I think it's fine. Keeping the function different. Okay. So, there are different parameters though. This is actually pretty stupid because I draw in a place if it's 0, otherwise if it's 11. We can make it all in one way. But I should watch the code I wrote before to draw some sort of image. I think that's it. The base drawing, where I draw in position X and Y, which is defined by here. No, wait. Here, on the values character drawing point plus offset. Offset, when it's defined, well, we don't need it. It's already in the other part of the code. Okay. Let's return to the code. So, instead of getting hero X, hero Y, 11X, 11Y, we fuse them together and we get character drawing points using the value of how is it called? Character ID. Char ID. Also, I think I should place it even here. Okay. So, let's make a global code to reassume to remove this one. So, we can remove the duality of those first of all by writing. I think we should. No, let's. Yeah, we need this picture ID even here. This picture ID is equal to that code. Might be better. Okay. So we can make it even here. Wait, we saved it here. Well, so in this way we can. Wait, you can duplicate with that. No, wait. I wanted to make another combination. Oh, well, never mind. Here. And we use the value picture, yeah. So pictures is actually literally the ID of the picture. That's simple. Okay, then 0. Then we get the X of the picture, which is the character drawing point. Or it might also be an already existing image. So, in this way, if there is no picture, how... No, wait, because if I reset image position, it resets here. There is a meta function to reset the image position. In that way, we just make a condition here. Let's make here if reset image position equals the string. Just to be sure, let's do first the false. If it's false, you get the picture coordinates. Else, we use the drawing points. Okay. We set here the values, var pick x, pick y. We don't even need the else because if it's false, it will override those values. Still, I would like to keep them also there. Okay. I can make it here. So they will get the value and save them here. Otherwise, it will keep the default value here with x and y. Okay, in this way, we don't need this condition because it did everything already here. Okay, so we get the value pick x plus move x, invert x will do. Pix y, move y, additive y, I don't remember what's that, but y. It's the same for everyone. Yeah, okay. Maybe there's something different on the move x. Yeah, because if I reset the position, the move x doesn't need to add up. So I need this parameter to reset. But I already defined here the value, so if I write them as 0, would be pretty simple. So let's put them there, and let's put this else. If I need to reset the image position, then new move x equals 0 and new move y equals 0. It doesn't apply. It's like there never was there in the first place. So pick x plus offset x and pick y plus offset y. I don't need them. Yeah, I need new move y because if it's 0, this part doesn't exist. So the portrait can be reset without a problem. Resetted. Then pick y plus the offset y plus... There is no additive y? No, I don't even know what it is. I don't edit. Okay, so pick y plus offset y and you remove new move y, who can also be 0. Portrait scale, and the rest is the same. That means I don't need all that crap. Okay. Up here. Okay. We made quite a cleaning. Yeah, the code is better, of course. Clearly better. Yeah. Let's see if we messed something up. I hope not. Who hopes to? No, sorry, I didn't want to save. First of all, let's check the tree. Okay, seems to work. Sorry, I meant GOP. I'm really sorry. Moments of truth! No! Cannot read property 0 of undefined. Where? Where? Can you please stop? Primo piano, ok. Of course. Property 0 of undefined. So there is an undefined... yeah, there is an undefined something. Maybe this one? If the result is undefined, doesn't work, right? I should do it the bug step. The problem is the code will run anyways. I can't read the error. Yeah, why it's still running? Why is still running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Well, those are a lot of errors. How do I forgot how to stop everything. Hitting it down doesn't work. And if it's open, it's way faster. 533. Ah, it's the line, awesome. Okay, so character drawing points. Ah, because I can't read that value, right? No, I can. Why doesn't it work? Why doesn't it work? Maybe... no, the character... wait. Character drawing points. Yeah. Exactly that. Should I print maybe the value? The character... oh yeah, I forgot! The character ID here, I want an integer. But I think I still give a boolean. Yeah, damn it. That's the problem. I forgot to remove the condition for giving the boolean. Or the integer. After this we might even stop. If it works. If. Well, I think I did a pretty nice job. Okay, it was better before. Okay, let's see. Leven gets down, but the hero goes up on the wrong direction. So they are still in the right vertical position, but not on the horizontal. Okay, that's simply a problem for making them appear, right? That's just it. No, not the one to order food. Where it is? Later. I forgot where. I should put more comments to make some order here. Damn it. Here it is. So. Invert. Character ID. So if it's 0... oh wait, it's in the opposite direction, right? Yeah, because they go up. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, they went down and now they go up. They go in the opposite direction. That was the problem. Yeah, I thought the one which I did before was the right one. But I didn't consider it was the opposite direction. The eyes still disappear. Also, the hero didn't disappear. No, not disappear, but get slightly darker. This is right, but there was something wrong before. Let's see again. Yeah, Leven is talking, but the hero gets up. Also, no, the problem is because there is the third character. it doesn't still work. It means, damn it. Okay, first of all, let's remove the third character and let's see if... I forgot the objective for today, which is add the third character. Well, program any third character in a Banter. With two, it will work. Yeah, sure, it works. Okay, the third one is the problem, which is on the side of the hero. In the side of the hero. Ah, no, wait. Yeah, but it was... Let's try... the back hero part. Back Leven part. Because in this way it will be oriented correctly. Yeah, maybe the problem is before, because I set the wrong target. Let's see. Maybe it will work. No. It will still talk the Leven. How so? So, let's see here. I get the value. I don't move that picture, right? Right? It was a question. Maybe even before. Maybe on the show in the picture. It's the problem. Let's see. Here I get the... Here I think it's the part where I draw the picture. And it works. Position X and Y is defined slightly before. Here. With position ID determined even before. Or the value. Wait. No, okay, yeah. The position ID is the... Always is right. The character drawing points, it's here, which is still different values. But I think the problem is they still consider that portrait that specific character. Oh, maybe I get it. Is it? No, if the value is a hero, maybe the problem is it's similar the name. But no, I don't think it works like that. Do it. Do that. Let's call it back left and back right. Let's change the name here too. Back left, back right. We also need to change the value here. Back right. I don't think that was the problem, but just to be sure. Maybe also it doesn't exist a value here, but... Wait, yeah, it's this the problem, because character ID doesn't go over 1. That's the problem. I found the problem. Case back left. We don't change the sound. Also, no wait. No wait, this is another problem. No, this is another problem. This is the character ID, not the position ID. No, wait. But that means I don't have to... Yeah, I imagined. I use the character ID instead of the position ID. That's the bigger problem. I confuse the character for their position they are occupying. I need to change everything. So, position, position. We can make the replace. Okay, it works. Not for those two, though. Even if I don't know if I need this value. But never mind. Maybe I need this one. Let's undo the last ones, just to check. For example, the ID of the images. I might actually need to refer them with picture ID. If I want to swap them. So I think it will do. But for now, let's make an exception. Right, let's still keep the relevant sound, but character ID is 2. Yeah, the problem is the position. I need to swap this value at least for some parts. For now, let's keep the ID for the picture, the ID for the text box, the memory for keeping the right pose. And that's it. That's it. Weird, I thought it was also here. I have something. I had something to change. Character ID, right? Where it's called? No, okay. Here I send the position ID value, so it's not a problem of that kind. So let's see them. I'm not really sure. Just to be sure, I will also add a third value for any sort of third character. Let's use Bray again. Well, actually, I'm worried why this one behaved like this. Let's make another check. Image ID. Well, no, because later I changed the value in a different way. Because in some scenes, character will change position. But we program it another day. I need to see it later, maybe. For now we won't, but another stream we might do that. Another stream we will make the positioning and movement of the portraits. Yeah, the problem though started here, because I didn't have a character ID. So, let's keep Brave for both of them for now. I think this was the origin of the problem. So, let's see if it's solved, and we will call it a day. Let's see, another 11. Pops up! Yeah! Still is not... it's not talking. Well, it's not showing up. Weird. Start hidden false. Yeah. It doesn't... well, at least I can show someone. It just doesn't light up. Was it because of... where is it? Well, it appears already hidden. That's maybe a problem. Oh wait. May it be for this one? For... Yeah, I think it's because of this. Because it goes here and gets the value 2. Let's use another. And keep braid the next value. I think the problem is there was here the 2 and before the 3. 2 different values. I still need to figure a way to move them around, so I won't have problems. Well, the game keeps memory. The script keeps memory where the characters are. Or, well, keeps in consideration that. So I can just move them. Hi, Leven. Why are you here? Why is she here? She should be on the other side now. Well, the dialogue... Wait. The dialogue box, yeah, was yellow, which is the right number. This number. But she appeared on the wrong part. Even if before she did correctly. I don't really know. So maybe before with the number 2. Let's try the 2. Let's try with the number 2. And also change the position. Back left. Maybe here the no. Back left is the number 2. I think I have the right values. Let's see again. Please, number, be on my side this time. Now she appears here. Maybe I got the wrong values, but before it was right. This is right, just the portrait of Leven is flipped. And there's a lot of space on the left side. Let's put again Bray on the other side. And see if the position value is correct. Yeah, it's the Leven value plus some values. Yeah. Let's put it again on the other side. Yeah, but I don't want to rely on... Well, after I define specific values for each character, I think it's fine, but... If they are different, how does it work? Hi, Michael! Too much Leven. There's never too much Leven, you know? 11 on over 10. I don't think it's a bad mark, you know? We are just about to fix some things to place other characters. Another character near the others. That's why we have a second Leven. I don't know though if... why now she's here? She was correctly placed here before. Let's see what happens if I say to put her on the left side with the hero. In this way we will have different values between position and character. I wanted to say, hey, let's see if that makes a bug, but there is already a bug, so I don't know. It's the same. It's the same. She should be more on the left if she was on the left side. Kinda weird. Because now that she is on the left side has the position ID 2. But the character ID 3. Oh wait. Yeah, character ID 3. And those two different values. Let's try to change here and base the idea of the images based on the position and not on the character. Because even later, yeah, because later I maybe need to fix, but later I move the characters based. I get the character ID based on the position and not on the character ID. That might be a problem. She's still here, Leven! Take your place next to the other Leven, okay? Well, it didn't change anything. Let's make an experiment. So, let's place a extra value here and a minus value here. And see which of those two is called. She should go up because you need to call the second one. But let's see. Okay, she goes up, so it's right. But it's still wrong. Okay, at least you don't call the first one. But why don't you take the position of the other Leven? You don't take the original position. How so? It's like it takes the position of the hero and then it adds the Leven position. No, it's impossible. No, because here it already has the Leven values. Maybe we can make with a printer. I don't know. Maybe on the first show image. The problem is when the image shows. Later it moves, but it moves still wrong. The problem is when the image is shown. So, here. Image ID. And the positions. The positions are... Oh no, might be because... No, wait. No, maybe it's because the... No. It's not a bug. Neither a feature. Because here I have the wrong... I have low values for this. And maybe it takes those values incorrect. Takes those values thinking it's the character. I think it's pretty straightforward, but I forgot that lights take the value. Or you read value from the lights because it's the same number. It shouldn't. That's it. It was the lights who gave me the wrong number. Okay, and kind slightly down, but we can fix it later. Still, let's make a final text and we will end the stream. 2 hours for not fixing, for developing a thing and the rest on fixing after all. I know. There was also something I needed to change. No, okay, I resolved everything. Behold the power of 2 goddesses of life. Okay, let's take the final. I still want the base color for that. Because, well, it's cooler. Having the correct Leven color. Okay, that's it. And finally we can have 2 Levens. Who asked for 2 Levens? No one? Never mind. That's awesome. That's incredible. Let's screenshot it correctly. And we did it! Ah, that's awesome. Okay. I think it's the right position for them. I will tweak it a little, but we have the right position. Next time, I think, yeah, we will work more about the positioning. Give her a face. Wait, she didn't have a face. She lost a face? You face stealer. No, she stole the hero's face. I didn't notice what happened later, actually. Let's see. No, she still... Ah, okay, no. This is a bug because I used a different face. But later she gains it. I don't know why it happens, though. Okay, maybe, yeah, I want to work on the positioning maybe of the event, but we did it. Next time, as I said, we will try to work on specific movements of the characters, because I really want to add some movement in it. Maybe, just maybe. Okay. Just to end the stream, I will raid Heroic Zephyr, which is game deving too. I got the wrong name. Right name? Yeah, okay. Read yourself. I don't think it will help very much, you know. Okay, that's it. We will see tomorrow with Orchestra Rail. Saturday with Dark Souls. And Friday with another RPG Maker game, Dungeon Dreams. We will resume game developing next Thursday with or this game or the other game with everyone else. Literally. Okay, that's it. Right, Harold. Harold is streaming. Can I follow him right away? Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot for coming by. And we'll see ya whenever it happens.